Okay, folks, I'm making this video in hopes of getting some assistance and guidance on a problem I'm having with my 2004 Highlander. I put it on the discussion page, and I think there seems to be some people who are intending to help, but they're not reading the details of what's going on. I did see some people pointing out things like fuel system flush and so forth. But anyway, let's just discuss the problem here. But so this is a 2004 Toyota Highlander, 3.3 liter V6 automatic. Great car. The problem I'm having is probably maybe one time out of 50. Like I'll get in, I'll start the car, no problem, right? Get in, start it, drive away, do this, do that. Stop, get in, start it, do whatever, drive wherever. But maybe 1 out of 50 times I'll get in. It doesn't matter the weather, doesn't matter how long it's been stopped. I could have been stopped for 10 seconds, or it could have been overnight, whatever. I'll get in, I'll go to start it, I'll turn the ignition. I'm not going to do it now because it'll start, but I'll turn the ignition and I just get that solenoid click. Maybe 1 out of 50 times that'll happen. And then, so I'll turn the key back, I'll try it again, nothing. Try it again. Every few seconds out of frustration, I'll try it again, nothing. I'll try different things. I'll make sure it's fully in park. I'll even try it in neutral. Try wiggling the key around a bit, whatever, right? Try, just different little stupid things to try it. I'll try it, nothing. Eventually, within 5 minutes or so, it's never the same, but I'll turn it, it'll start. Meaning it'll turn over. To be clear, it's not turning over. Maybe 1 out of 50 times, it just won't turn over, right? So, not sure what it is. It's got a brand new battery in it, rebuilt starter from a trusted place. The starter they took out, they said there was nothing wrong. I know the guy for many years. He said the starter that I took out had a long way to go. It was still in very good shape. So anyway, I'm pretty sure it isn't the starter because I put it in with a rebuilt one and worked just fine. And then again, one out of 50 times, it just won't turn over. So also I replaced the ignition switch underneath here, right? Underneath here, there's an ignition switch. I replaced that. It was only a $30 part. It took me 10 minutes, so I figured I'd try it. And so yeah, I'm just out of ideas here. I've checked the battery cables. I've had a lot of vehicles, been driving vehicles for 40 years now. I know sometimes your cables get a bit corroded. You get out, you wiggle the cable. All of a sudden it'll start, because there was a bad connection or something. That doesn't work. Tapping on the starter doesn't work. Again, it's a rebuilt starter, so has nothing to do with the fuel system because yes, I did have the fuel system flushed not too long ago, just part of regular maintenance. All the spark plugs are good. So it has to do with the problem of the just something where it just won't turn over. So anyway, just hoping that I can get some guidance. Somebody mentioned coil packs, but I don't know. Like, unless it winds up in a certain cylinder and that coil pack is bad, I don't know. Just looking for some guidance based on these details and some tips. Thanks.